gay watch. The gayest of all the watches. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you guys doing this beautiful night? It is 10 p.m. and it is spoopy season. Spoopy. I'm keeping the backdrop all month long. It's October. This is Halloween. And you know what that means? That means October. BOXYCHARM unboxing. I truly lost every brain cell in that one moment, so that was really fun for me. Anyways, you guys, today's video, we're gonna be doing our October BOXYCHARM unboxing. And you know I like to do this every month. Thank you to BOXYCHARM for partnering me in today's video. I love working with them because it's a monthly subscription box, as you guys already know. And you guys pay a monthly fee, and you guys get sent a bunch of makeup every single month. Honestly, it's an amazing deal for what it is. I think it's $25 a month, and you guys get a box. So I'm gonna be doing a full-blown unboxing and try-on style video like I do every month. What I love about working with BOXYCHARM, you guys, is that they're very open of how I work with them and like how I talk about their products. And if I like them, I like them. If I don't, then I don't. And BOXYCHARM totally understands that. So thank you to BOXYCHARM for always understanding where I'm coming from and letting me be 100% myself. Because that is what I am on my channel, my motherfucking self. Selfie. I'm a little delusional, I think. Yeah, I think so. As always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys do not like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. But if you guys do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And if you're new, what is up? I'm MannyMua. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. But yeah, let's go and get into today's October BOXYCHARM unboxing. So we have a long box this month. It's thick and it's long. Oh my god. Let's open it. Hello, Charmer. Bitch, I think we have a motherfucking spoopy box. Introducing the bigger BOXYCHARM. BOXYCHARM Premium Beauty Box worth over $175 of value for only $35. That's another option. And this is BOXYCHARM 2.0. More customizable choices. Oh my fuck, no way. We have a dose of colors. Baked browns. We have a Baked Browns palette by Dose of Colors. This is an eyeshadow palette. Dose of Colors, you guys, is a really popular brand. It's an indie brand. This guy retails for $32 and you get 5 eyeshadows. A gorgeous... Are we okay? Are we good? We have a gorgeous 5-color palette here. All neutrals, all browns, all matte as well. They feel like fucking butter. Okay, well, just like all my other videos, I'll show you guys what's in the box and then we're gonna use it and see exactly what we think. Is the box worth the money? We will find out. Next we have the Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Oh my god, squished a little bit right here. I hate that. This guy retails for $32 as well. This is a glassy skin balm, sweetie. What? Filter glassy skin balm. It's a beachy primer. Oh, that smells rich. Ooh, the luxury. The wealth. The check. Okay, we're gonna be trying that out, of course. Next, we have the iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. And this guy retails for $26. A nude lip gloss. You know I love that shit. Yeah, right here. Gorgeous color. It's a... Oh my god, it smells like... What was that? You guys, it smells like black licorice. And if you know anything about me, I hate black licorice with a fucking true ass passion. That worries me. Okay, you know what? We're gonna try it on the lips and we'll see how it is. Is it strong? I don't know. We'll have to see. But that really, after the first impression, that really scares me. Gives me a headache. Okay, what is next? Oh, shit. Next, we have the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. This gentle, non-abrasive leave-on exfoliant removes dead skin cells, both on the surface and inside of the pores to reveal smooth, glowy skin. The MSRP for this is $29.50, which is the price for it. I mean, it's honestly really nice. Paula's Choice is a great skincare brand. You know what? I'm not gonna try this tonight. I mean, it's late at night. I'm probably gonna try this tomorrow and see what we think. But let's just open the bad bitch up and see. Okay, so it's like one of those. Not a scent in sight, but that makes me really excited. I love a good exfoliator, you guys. I believe heavily in exfoliating and using retinols and, and really resurfacing the skin to create a nice canvas para la makeup. Next, we have the Jante Bleu Lip Liner, and this guy is $5. It's Jante Bleu, okay? It's fucking Jante Bleu. I'm saying that's so fucking wrong, and this guy retails for $5, so it's a cute little inexpensive item. Oh, she's cute, actually. Ma'am? Not bad, not bad. It's a wooden pencil, it's sharpenable, and I love a good sharpenable pencil. I don't know what this face is. This looks like a fucking out of the country plug. At the end, you guys, we will be adding up everything to see if it's worth the price of the box. So let's go and get today's bitch started, bitch. Okay guys, we're gonna go in first with the Glossy Pretty Filter Glossy Skin Balm, and that's gonna be our primer for the face. Oh my god, it feels weird. It feels bouncy, it's a cushion. It's dense, but it blends so softly. Oh my god, time goes by so slowly. That feels amazing, actually. It feels like water. It's really dense in the packaging, but then you pull it out and it blends so softly and so easily. Like, it doesn't feel, oh, you know what? Now it's feeling like tacky. Not super tacky, but it definitely has a little bit more of a stick to it now. It started off dense, then it went on like almost like a watery cream, and now it feels like it's like heavy. It's definitely like a heavier consistency. Feels really nice though. It feels really, really nice. I feel like if you're dry, you'll like this so much because it is more of a glossy skin balm. Like, dude, my face is like literally glassy. When you're looking up close, you can see I have nothing on my skin, of course. My skin looks extremely reflective, extremely glassy. It's honestly very pretty. It's very nice. And I didn't even see any specks of glitter in it or anything at all. Let me see. There's no like glitter in it. There's no like shimmer. There's no gleam. It literally is like just a balm, and it gives you a sheen to the skin. Even though I am more on the oily side, I'll have to test that more, but for first impression so far, I do actually enjoy it. I think it looks really nice on the skin. I just want to see what it goes like a foundation going on top of this looks like. A good foundation, like Miss Derma blend. Okay, so you guys, as we can see, I just put the Derma Blend on really quickly, and it's settling down into the skin. And you can still definitely see so much sheen through with that glassy balm. Oh my goodness, it's still very reflective underneath it. And of course, it is drying down, and when you set it, it will not be as reflective, of course, but first impressions, like, it's very glowy. It's very, very glassy, for sure. I'm gonna go do my foundation off of camera, and then we'll come back with more products that we're gonna be getting in the box, because I don't wanna show you guys every step when it's like, bitch, not everything's in the fucking box, okay? Okay, guys, so I finished my base makeup. This is what it looks like with the base on. Of course, my face is set, but you can still see a little bit more of like a skin-like glow on my makeup. Can we not? I feel like, am I crazy? I feel that in my fucking bones and in my bosom. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna go in with our Baked Browns palette by Dose of Colors, and it has a little brush as well, which I think is adorable. Don't really like this side of the brush. I love this side of the brush. I think it's so precise and tiny, and it's great for underneath the eye and for the inner corner and brow bone highlight. But this side, I'm like, anyway, we're gonna just do a cute ass little eye moment. And honestly, guys, I have used this before and I fucking love it. I really like them. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. They are powdery. Lord help me. However, honestly, even though they're powdery, they blend and they work so well that I'm willing to forfeit the powderiness because the product itself works so nicely. So I'm just gonna take this on a Morphe M533. I use this all the time. You guys already know. Use code MannyMua on all Morphe products. If you guys would like to save some extra coin, I mean, honestly, why the fuck not? Especially on the brushes, hello. They're like $5, and then you guys save 50 more cents. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna go in, I'm just gonna use this like into the crease. Like, honestly, it just blends so freaking easy. I mean, it's a nice neutral brown. If it didn't blend nicely, I would be concerned, to be quite honest, because I'm like, girl, it's a neutral brown. How can it be like fucked up? You know what I mean? But it's so soft, so easy, such a gorgeous color. It's not too warm, it's not too cool. It reminds me like of a bronzer, to be honest. It's like a bronzer-y type shade. So we're basically bronzing our eyes and our crease. Gorga, taking the lightest shade, just a little bit on the light shade, taking that on that same brush, just lightly dusting it on the brow bone for like a nice little lift. We all want a good brow lift nowadays, and by all I mean me, okay? So we're just gonna put that into the crease, and we're just gonna kind of build from there, you guys. Now I'm gonna go in with a Morphe R39 Bruges, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take, that one, that chocolatey moment. They're fucking powdery as fuck, honestly. They're so powdery, but they're so pigmented and like so sickening and blend so nicely that it's like, they just are worth it. Because you're worth it. Stop. I think I'm gonna do like a half cut crease, like a neutral half cut crease moment. We're gonna deepen her on up. We're gonna fatten her on up, you guys. We're gonna fatten her. We're gonna fatten that crease on up. Baby Hansel and Gretel are shaking. They're shaking. Okay, guys, so update. The guy that I was like talking to, we're no longer talking, which honestly, I'm pretty bummed about it. Really, really, really liked him. However, I think there may be a new guy in my life coming in soon because I just saw him yesterday. Oh my god, that's fucking crazy. crazy. For me, holding hands, that's like monumental. That's what it fucking is. It's motherfucking monumental. So I will keep you guys updated, and you guys will continue to keep me in your prayers to not be a thought ass bitch. I just need the help. Oh, now we're going with the darker shade right there. Oh my god, it's so fucking gorgeous. Fuck. We're just tapping, tap, little tappies. Taking their little brush with no product on it. I'm gonna go and cut the crease, add some shadow, and we will be right back. We're just gonna finish the shadow. You guys, honestly, have my verdict down with these shades. They're bomb, they're amazing. I've used this palette before. It's truly iconic at this point. Like, Dose of Colors has beautiful eyeshadows, and honestly, they build nicely, they blend nicely. They're just extremely powdery. Like, it's honestly annoying to me. However, they work so well that I'm willing to forfeit it because they just are so sickening. So far, so great on the shadows. That was a win for me, for sure. So far, you guys, we've had 2 products so far, and they've both been wins. I mean, this, I can't really say it's a win necessarily. I have to try it out more and see how it lasts on my face because I am oily, but it did make my skin look really nice and glossy and hydrated, and it was thick and dense. Honestly, felt really good, and my makeup looks gorgeous over it. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so we have this completed look. Yeah. What do we think? We just have like a really pretty, you know, brown smoky moment going on. And I haven't done a full matte eye look in what feels like fucking eternity. So this is the look that we came up with. Matte everywhere. There's no shimmer on my eyes at all. And honestly, I'm kind of living. I just feel like it looks really contoured and sharp and clean without the shimmer added. So I really like that. Like, kind of a lot, actually. So now we're gonna go in and we're gonna go ahead and use our lip liner. It's a full red ass lip liner. And the gloss. So first things first, guys, we're gonna go ahead and try the gloss first, and then we'll put the lip liner over it. Let's see if it'll plump us. She's thick. Oh my god, and very minty. Oh my goodness, I already feel it. It's tingling. Oh my god. It smells like death. Okay, guys, so we are currently tingling. Our lips are on fire. The color is so gorgeous, though. Oh my god. Look at that gorgeous, like, shine. Nude gloss. This look is fucking great. I feel it, though. I feel it for sure. Whenever you guys have like a fucking plumping gloss, you guys ever want to fan it? God damn. I don't know why I'm wanting to fan it. It doesn't do shit. Let's read about it real quick. Iconic lip plumping glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. It is definitely not sticky. It's thick. No stick though, which is great. Honestly, it feels nice. It's not like the craziest feeling plumping I've ever felt. Like, I felt much worse and much more intense, but I hate the smell. So what do we think? Do they look bigger to you guys? Look a little bit bigger. But I also just took off foundation so it could appear bigger. But are they actually? They're still tingling. Yep, they still feel like a vibrator on my lips. Full vibration, yep. Turbo speed. Okay, so now let's go in with our little lip liner, our little gay lip liner. That's really nice, actually. So this color is like a very rich, true red. It's not like super blue undertone, not super yellow undertone. If anything, I would say that it definitely pulls more on the yellow side than blue. But for $5, I'm actually a lot more impressed than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. I remember once I used a lip liner from BOXYCHARM. I forgot what brand it was, but the lip liner was so atrocious. This one's nothing like that. It's actually a lot more comfortable, a lot nicer. And this is her with the lip on. As you can see, it's a very bright red. It's not very blue. It's a lot more of a yellow toned red. And that's why it's looking so bright and so neon almost. And it's matte on my skin, as you can see. I would say it's actually more of a satin, which is why it's probably so comfortable. Satin. But I think it's gorgeous. Oh my god. What do you guys think? For a $5 lip liner, you guys filled in the lips? That's pretty dope as fuck, if you ask me. Okay, you guys, and that is the entire box. This is the entire box on this face right now. What are we thinking? Do you guys live the fantasy Are you living the fantasy or not? Let's go ahead and add up the total of all these products here and we'll see, are you ready the total or not? So we're gonna go ahead and add the Dose of Colors palette, which is $32, plus the Touch in Soul Glassy Skin, which is another $32, plus Iconic Blending Lip Plumping Gloss, $26, plus $29.50 for the Paula's Choice, plus $5 for the Chantably Lip Liner, and the total comes out to be $124.50. So basically $125, and you guys are paying $25 for the entire box. And you guys, honestly, I think it's a great deal. I think it's absolutely an amazing, amazing deal. Truly, I would not be doing these videos if I did not think it was a great deal. I just wanted to show you guys how to use the products in the box and whether or not some of them are a hit or some of them are not a hit. You know what I'm saying? For me, you guys, things in the box that were worth it, honestly, I'm very excited to continue to use the Touch in Soul Glassy Skin. It made my skin look honestly gorgeous, and it was so hydrating, so smooth, and it had like a tacky consistency, and it made my foundation stick to it very nicely, and I think it looks really, really pretty on the skin. I love it. I would have to say the winner of the entire box is definitely the Dose of Colors Baked Browns palette. It's absolutely amazing. The colors blended nicely. However, it is so dirty, it's so intense, it's so powdery, but with how they perform and how they blend, it's so worth it to me because they blend so easily and so seamlessly. Oh, seamlessness. I did not use the Paula's Choice liquid exfoliant. I'll literally use this tonight and put it to the side. The gloss, I have mixed feelings about the gloss because the scent is so strong, and I actually literally hate the fragrance of this. It smells like black licorice, and I fucking hate that fragrance so much. It's just too strong. I just hate it. Ooh. If you guys don't hate black licorice, you guys will be fine. It did feel very plumping. It actually felt like I was buzzing on my lips for sure. I don't know if my lips look bigger to you guys. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. To me, now that I've overdrawn, it looks like the same how my normal lips always look. But the color was stunning. The consistency was stunning. I just don't know about the fragrance. I honestly don't think I'll ever use this again because it is so strong in the fragrance. That's just my personal opinion. The lip liner was honestly great for being $5. It looks amazing. It's full coverage. It's smooth. It wasn't patchy at all. It feels so comfortable. It feels like I'm not wearing anything. That was a complete win. So you guys, all in all, the box was a total fucking win again. Most of the products were great. There was just some things that weren't as amazing as they could be. Mainly the gloss scent, but the consistency was stunning. The color was stunning. The effect was stunning, but the scent for me was just too strong. I'm a sensitive ass little bitch, okay? I am. I can't help it. Anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching. Of course, I'll have a link down below if you guys want to check out BOXYCHARM and subscribe to their service. Honestly, it's bomb. I highly recommend it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I think it's pretty freaking great, especially for the price point. Like, you really cannot beat it for all the things that you get. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of the night or day wherever you guys are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I love you. Mwah. Pendejo. Are you fucking recording? Spoopy vibes. They're staying. They're fucking staying. Okay? Okay, bitch, let's fucking get this motherfucker started. That is what I am, a fucking charmer. It's not a charmer. After being she dark. Alright then. Ma'am, call the police. Call the police right now. Oh my god, no. No. Okay, cute. Ooh, that scared me. My brother fucking put my makeup away off my desk, but he put away too much. Put away too fucking much, yo. These two hairs want to be cut off, but I paid for them. Can't be getting crazy now, can we?